Welcome to Hidden Systems, where money, power, and incentives are explained. We will be uncovering the reasons why infrastructure fail. Why does infrastructure fail? It's rarely one simple engineering mistake. Usually, it's a combination of factors involving engineering, budget politics, and the real costs that are often hidden. Let's break down the system. First, engineering oversights. Design flaws happen. Maybe the soil wasn't properly tested, or a crucial stress point was miscalculated. These mistakes are often the most visible after a failure, but they're rarely the whole story. Next, budget politics. Infrastructure projects require funding, and funding decisions are inherently political. There's an incentive to minimize upfront costs to get projects approved. This often means cutting corners on materials or long-term maintenance plans. The predictable outcome? Higher costs and potential failures down the line. Consider materials. Cheaper materials may meet initial requirements, but what about their lifespan? A lower grade of steel might save money now, but it increases the risk of corrosion and premature failure. This is a predictable trade-off, optimizing for short-term gains at the expense of long-term stability. Then there's maintenance. It's rarely discussed during the initial project pitch, but consistent maintenance is crucial. Neglecting upkeep creates a dependence on future repairs, which are often more expensive than preventative measures. The system incentivizes reactive fixes over proactive care. Real costs are often hidden in long-term consequences. A bridge collapse, a dam failure, or a power grid outage has cascading effects. The cost of repairs is just the beginning. There are also economic disruptions, transportation delays, and potential safety risks. These are all real costs, but they're rarely factored into the initial budget analysis. So why does infrastructure fail? It's a system with multiple interconnected factors. Engineering mistakes, budget politics that prioritize short-term savings, and the underestimation of real long-term costs all contribute to the outcome. Understanding this system allows for better planning, more realistic budgeting, and ultimately more resilient infrastructure. At Hidden Systems, we explain the invisible systems that quietly shape money, power, and everyday life. Subscribe, follow to be in the know about our next episode.